How to swap BTC to SOL on Phantom Wallet. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Phantom Wallet. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In your first screen, you'll find swap option. Click on swap option, which is beside send. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In you pay, make sure you click on the arrow which is facing downwards and then type in BTC. If you have that asset, simply BTC will show up. This is not available on my account. And in you receive, make sure you type SOL as shown. After that, you're good to go. This is how to swap BTC to SOL on Phantom Wallet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.